Hi everyone, it's Rachel with Remax up in Big Bear, and today I'm over here with Nora, and we're gonna walk you through 41688 McWhinney. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are on a cold day up at McWhinney, and so we're over at Bill's house. Bill Young has this one listed, and today this one is $535,000. It's on pretty much the corner of Thrush and McWhinney, and Thrush is going to take you all the way up to the mountain. So property line, we have a marker right here, and let's see if there's another marker over here. Watch that mud though. Probably just going to be this rock wall. Somewhere around here. Nora, how many bears do you think are inside? None?
There's
Two outside? Two, like, are they real bears? They should tell the people that they're real bears.
No,
There's
fake.
two real bears outside.
No, they're fake.
Oh, dang it.
Wait, let me show them.
I was trying to scare it. Okay, you gotta walk slowly. Ooh, look at that gnome. Nora wanted to show you the...
No, I'm showing them.
No. Okay. All right, so we're gonna head on inside.
No, show them all the bears.
Look at that bear. Look
Show them.
at his face, Nora.
Can I
He's
show
kind
them
of silly.
Can I show them all the bears? I'll show them all the bears. And we got
It's a desk.
this one.
Yeah. Okay, so coming inside, we've
I
got...
found another one.
Oh, number 3. Nice little area to wipe your feet. And we walk into travertine floors and another bear. Nora, I see somewhere that has like 8 more bears that you didn't even know about. No. That rug. All right, so entering in here. One more. Okay. We've got the dining room off to one side, the dining room, kitchen, laundry room, bathroom behind this wall, bedroom, living room, and then we're going to go upstairs to 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. So the total house is going to be a 3-bed, 2-bath. And then just here, I'm going to take a quick second to kind of show you that we've got travertine floors, and then we've also got the evergreen carpet, which is very treasured in Big Bear. People love evergreen carpet. So coming through here to the dining room, I want to point out that we've got single pane windows on this one, so it does need possibly some warmer windows coming in here. Great thing though, we do have a lot of wood paneling, and it is the upgraded nice wood paneling too. And then we've also got the wall heater over here as well. So coming around, we've got a table that sits about 6 people, possibly more. And then we're going to go into the kitchen. I wonder if there's a bear anywhere. Look at that one. How do you think he's hanging on there, Nora?
I think they screwed him on there.
You think they screwed him on there? I think they stapled him on there. All right, so do you know what kind of countertop this is, Nora? If you had to guess. Formica. And it does look like it's a quartz. I mean, it kind of looks like quartz countertop, granite countertop, but it is Formica. 2 bears there. Oh, I think I see.
We're still decorated for Christmas.
Oh my goodness. So updated cabinetry, and then nice. I like this big sink too, like a Corian. And I see a secret door somewhere. Do you see a secret door somewhere? How do you even open it? And what do you think is inside of it?
I think it's a real bed.
Oh, do you know what that is?
A water heater.
Good job. How'd you know what a water heater was? Oh, man, you're so smart.
More bears.
I do believe, yep, I see that. I do believe also that this house was once used for vacation rental because I see signs like this all throughout the house. The utensils are for grilling are above the fridge. And then I also saw on the inside of some of the cabinets that they had spelled out some directions for putting cups back. Also notice for the please do not wash spa towels with bath towels. So this is the laundry room.
And
it's also going to go outside, but for the sake of the tour, we're going to do that last.
We got this go through and we end up in the...
We've got this go through bathroom. Nora, you know what this bathroom's called when it's a go through? You're really going to love this answer. It's called a Jack and Jill. Because Jack can come this way and Jill can come that way.
Jack!
It's called Jack and Jill.
Hit the road, Jack!
Hit the road, Jack. Yeah. So coming into the bathroom, we've got, that's like a marble countertop. This is just a buy it, move it in kind of piece of equipment. And then we also have a shower. So the shower, clearly marked hot and cold, plastic insert.
Can I show them something?
Not yet.
In here?
Hang on. And so that is the Jack and Jill bathroom.
And we got this bedroom that it leads into.
Yeah, this must be Jill's bedroom.
Lay down on it.
So this is going to be the bedroom. This is a king size bed. They've got this kind of nice big storage area for it's like a dresser that goes behind here.
A dresser behind it. Mom, look it.
Yeah. It's that's called a radio. And then we also have a electric heater here too. Probably because that wall heater back here is not going to heat this side of the house very well. There's another secret door.
But it's
A good sized bedroom. And here's another thing that I noticed is that they have a Nest thermostat here. So not only do they have one here, but they have one here. So I'm not sure, maybe this one goes to the one in this bedroom, probably, and that one goes to the hallway. But very interesting.
And we have
Oh,
a secret door.
we have a secret door, but we
can't go in it
we
because it's locked.
it's locked. Yeah. What kind of things do you think that you would hide in that secret door?
Like some special stuff.
What kind of special stuff? What kind of special stuff would you hide in there?
Like jewelry.
Oh,
And computers.
yeah.
Some phones.
Some phones? Like multiple phones or just one phone? People usually only have one phone, right?
Multiple.
Multiple? Wow. Okay. You could hide your wallet in there too.
Yeah, so like you could lock it up.
Yeah.
And be,
So this could be like your safe.
yeah.
Yeah.
But safes are like tiny.
Tiny safes.
But a big safe.
But this is a big safe, like a walk-in safe.
And like it's a door.
Yeah. And a door safe.
And
And so look at this. This goes underneath the stairs. That's kind of fun. And it's like a little almost like sitting area. I don't think this turns on though. Nope.
And we got
Oh, 3 more
this
bears.
bear and this
You know what those are called?
coffee holder.
They're coasters.
And we got
Coasters. And so here we are in the living room, nice and cozy.
Actually, there's 3 bears.
It's carpeted in here, so it's nice and warm. And you do have a good amount of space here for several people that are staying in the home. Here you do have a fireplace. Look at this cute little tiny mantle. Nora, they're like decorated for Halloween too. Fall.
These are squishy.
And a
I want
nice
these. I
brick
want
fireplace. This looks
Mommy,
like
I
it's
want
kind
this.
of newer. Newer than the age of the house, because the age of the house, this was built in 1978, and this just looks a little bit more newer and cleaner than 1978 would have looked. And so there we also have the TV, and this was definitely a rental. This is a good sign for a rental. Anytime this handrail, this signifies that this is the start of the stairs, and then you're able to fully grip the handle. You know that it's turning right here, and you're able to follow it all the way up. So we've got green carpet all the way up. Carpet's in pretty good shape too. And so once we get to the top of the stairs, I'm just gonna turn around really quick just to kind of show you that it's vaulted up here and in both bedrooms too. So we have bedroom, bathroom, bedroom. So we're gonna go to one bedroom first, and this one is going to have its own balcony off the front. So if we were to go outside, we've got wood deck. It is somewhat covered. The outside is in a really good paint condition on the house too. The deck could use a little bit of work to it, but you could literally walk to Snow Summit from here. Did you know that? It's just right up here. Just right up the street. Well, you can't see it. You can't see it, but I just know. I know that it's there. We also have another heating unit in here. This is going to be another electric space heater. And they also have another Nest thermostat for that one too. So very nice sized room. And then,
Mom, look what it says.
it says please turn off when you're not using it. And then in between, we've got another full bathroom. So we've got white tile in here. Good size bathroom. Let's see what that tub looks like. Just a little plastic liner, but it does have, can't be too tall in this shower because this thing basically comes to my head too, so just petite. Nora, can you say petite?
Petite.
Petite.
Now let's go there.
And then we've got this bedroom. So this one is a double bed with a couch. And the other thing is that it does have vaulted ceilings, and it's got like a little gaming area right here. And a closet space. I'm not gonna open that too much. All right. So then we're gonna head downstairs and just look at the outside really quick and see what their backyard has to offer. So this one definitely has been a vacation rental in the past. So if you're curious about the numbers, we can get our hands on that for you. So
they have a hot tub. They have a horse shed.
A horse shed? Do you think a horse is in there? Here, come here.
I think that's a barn.
A barn. So here we are in the backyard. Got a nice, probably 4 or 5 person hot tub. A little swing out here. And the yard is gonna go to this metal fence right here. Do you know what these sticks are in the ground, Nora?
What's that?
The one right here, and then the one down there.
Where?
Right here. That big pole.
Yeah.
It's a horseshoe pit.
A horse horse?
You play horseshoes. And you probably hide your horses in that barn right there. How many horses do you think are in there?
10.
10 horses.
No, 5.
5, okay.
So 2 people, probably 2, because 2 people live here.
Oh, okay. So there you have it. 41688 McWhinney, I think it was. List price is $535. You got some icicles.
Let me see. I'll eat one.
Give us a call.
Mommy, grab one.
Who thinks Nora should eat an icicle?
Me.
Have a great day. Say bye.
Bye.